this video, we are going to see about while loop. First of all, we are going to see about while loop syntax. See here, this is the while loop syntax. While condition followed by colon, and in new line, first we use indentation, then we use the statement for the while condition. Okay. In this while loop, until the condition becomes false, the statement will be executed. Okay, see this example. In this example, I am printing the value of 1 to 10 by using the while loop. I assigned c is equal to 1, and I used while keyword, and I used c is less than or equal to 10. So c is less than or equal to 10 is the condition. Okay, first the c value will be 1 is less than or equal to 10. Is the condition is true? Yes, it is true. So it goes inside the while loop and prints c comma end is equal to a space. Okay, so it prints 1 and prints some space. Then the c value will be incremented by 1 in this line. Now the c value is 2. See here, 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it is true. So 2 will be printed and space will be printed here. Then c value will be incremented to 3. So 3 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, 3 is less than or equal to 10. So 3 comma n is equal to space. Hence 3 is printed and a space is printed. By following this step, when the c value will be 9, okay, when the c value will be 9, then c is less than or equal to 10. So 9 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, 9 is less than 10. So 9 and space will be printed. Then c value will be incremented by 1. So now the c value will be 10. 10 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, 10 is equal to 10. Hence the hence the condition is true. The c value will be printed. 10 and space. Then now the c value will be 11. So 11 is less than or equal to 10. No, the condition fails and the while loop will be terminated. So this is how the while loop will be working. See here the result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to see about how to print the value from 10 to 1. See here, I have assigned the same. In the same process, we just assign the value of c will be 10, and we decrement the value by 1 and just print the value. See here, I assign the value of c is equal to 10, and while c print c comma end is equal to a space, then c minus is equal to 1. See here, first the c value will be 10. So while 10, in this, while the c value is not equal to 0, then the condition will be true. I have already taught you in the previous video that when the value is non-zero, then it determines that the value is true. Once the value is 0, then it determines that the value is false. Okay, so until the condition is fails, the while loop will be executing. So when the condition fail, when the c value is 0, the condition will be failed. Okay, now see. So c is equal to 10. So 10 is printed. Now it is decreased by 1. So 9, while 9 is true. Hence 9 is printed. The process repeated until the value will be 1. Okay. When the c value is 1, it prints 1, and the 1 minus 1 is 0. Hence the c value now is 0, while 0, which is false. Hence the while loop is terminated. Okay, so the answer will be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then this is the another problem. In this, we want to input integer from a user, and we want to reverse it, then print it. Okay, so I have got the input from user and stored it in the variable n, and I have used result is equal to 0. Later on I will say why I have declared result is equal to 0. Okay, now come to the next line. While n, so when will this while loop will be terminated? When n is equal to 0, the condition will be false and the while loop will be terminated. Okay, until n is non-zero, the while loop do not terminate. Then next line, rem is equal to n mod 10. I am storing the remainder in rem. Okay, I have storing the remainder in rem variable. Then result is equal to result into 10 plus rem. So at first the result is initially 0. So 0 into 10, it will be 0 plus rem. So I am adding just the remainder. Okay. In this technique, we just remove this 4 and replace in the first position. That is 4. Then we remove this 3. Then replace after the 4. Then remove this 2 and replace after this 3. Then remove this 1 and replace after the 2. Okay, this is the logic behind this technique. So see here. Now initially the n value is, what is the initial n value? It is just 1 2 3 4. Okay, so initial n value is 1 2 3 4. And then what is the initial rem value? Rem value is 4, because when we divide 1 2 3 4 by 10, the remainder will be 4 and quotient will be 1 2 3. Okay, so here in result, the result will be result into 10. So 0 into 10, 0 plus rem. Rem is 4. Hence the value is 4. Okay. Here, what will be the value of n? N floor division 10. Then there will be no floating point. It will be whole value. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10. That is floor division. Then what is the quotient of the floor division? It is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now come to here. Now what is the n value? It is 1, 2, 3. Whether 1, 2, 3 is true or false? All non-zero values are true. Okay. So it is true. Then rem is equal to n mod 10. Now, what is the remainder of 1 to 3 while dividing by 10? It is 3. Okay, 3. Now, result is equal to result into 10 plus rem. What is the value of result already? 4. 4 into 10, 40. 40 plus 3, it is 43. So, the result is 43. Then n is equal to n floor division 10. Then what will be the quotient for 1 2 3 while dividing by 10? It will be 12. Okay, now n value is 12. Whether 12 is true or false? Yes, all non-zero values are true, hence 12 is true. Then rem is equal to n mod 10. So while dividing 12 by 10, the remainder will be 2. Okay, so 2. Now 40 43 into 10 plus 2, 432. Okay, then n is equal to n floor division 10. Okay, 12 floor division 10 will result in 1. Okay, the quotient is 1. Whether 1 is true or false? True. Okay, true. Now n value is 1. So what is the remainder of 1 when divided by 10? It will be 1. Okay, quotient will be 0. So it will be 1. And result is equal to result into 10 plus rem. Then what is the result? 432. 432 into 10, 4320. So plus 1, 4321. Okay, so 4321. Then what will be the n value? N is equal to n divided by 10. Okay, so while we are dividing 1 by 10, then what will be the quotient? It will be 0. Okay, now what is the n value? It is 0. So coming back to the while loop, now the n value is 0. 0 is always false and non-zero values are always true. Hence, the while loop is terminated. Now, what is the value in the result? It is 4321. So, it prints 4321. Okay, 4321. So, this is the procedure to reversing a number by using while loop. Okay, this is a simple problem.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.